Hey guys, hello everyone, this is Sej Gupta and welcome back again to my channel. And today's video is all about the war between top two platforms of mobile. Yes, I'm talking about the war between iOS and Android. And my video is strictly after the release of iOS 11 and Android 8.0. So, first point of my video is okay, I was being little funny. So the first point is about the battery life. Yes, the battery life on Android sucks after the release of Android 8.0. Android, are you listening? Yes, I'm seriously speaking that Android, after the release of Android 8.0, the battery life on my MIA1 really sucks. And I'll tell you a realistic thing happened to me. Actually, I just charged my phone after I bath 200%, and after 10 minutes the percentage dropped to 96 after half an hour without any single usage, and the Wi-Fi was not on and the cellular data was not on. So it was shameful. It was like, what should I do? Okay. So but simultaneously my father also charged his iPhone 5s, 4 to 5 years old iPhone 5s, and 200%. And in afternoon I checked this phone and it was still displaying 100%. I was like ashamed, like what's happening. And talking about iPhone 7, just don't talk about this phone. Okay, it's too good. Okay, and this video is not on the comparison of any kind of phone. It's only the comparison between the platform, the interface. So okay. And yes, if you're saying that why I'm comparing mi even to iPhone 5s, then one of my friend owns Google Pixel 2, and after the release of Android Oreo, even he was complaining about the overheating problem and the battery life. Okay, the overheating problem, I'll just discuss it later. So point number two, very important, the flagships of the top smartphone company, yes, I'm talking about Samsung, has delayed the Android 8.0 release on S8, S7. I don't know why. And they might have understood that yes, the Android 8.0 is seriously affected by some bugs which cause the overheating issues and many more things. And I don't know why Android, why are you doing this, Google? Why are you offering the latest Android only to the high-end devices? Like 18,000 rupees phone, iPhone 5s, 5 years old, is still receiving latest iOS updates, and my 20,000 rupees Note 3 won't even receive Android 7. That's really shameless and very pathetic, Google. I just hate you for this. Seriously. I too hate Apple for the pricing or something, but I'm comparing the platforms. Laggy. Yes. The applications on the Android are just being laggy day by day. Actually, I use Instagram on iOS also and Android also. Believe me, guys, honestly speaking, I love the interface of Facebook and Instagram on iOS as compared to Android. I don't know why they have those issues, but the apps instantly crashes on these Android devices a lot. Okay, I don't know why, and they are making the platforms very laggy, Android ones. And actually I just own a Galaxy Tab 3. It was the same year around when they released iPad and iPhone also. Okay, so don't talk about the updates. It only has an update to Android 4.0, no problem. But the tablet, the Android has seriously slowed the the tablet is like seizing, it's like freezing all over the time. I can't even browse Facebook on 1.5 gigs of RAM. So it's like it's really shameful, and I don't know what आई एम नॉट बायास्ड और टुवर्ड्स iOS की iOS अच्छा है, iOS अच्छा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एंड्रॉयड भी अच्छा है, बट iOS इज़ definitely getting better if you're talking the time about right now. I hate Apple due to that, iPhone 10 and the loss of innovation in their new products. But if we look overall, the Apple is quite realistic. And this was the main contents of this video I wanted to share with you guys. And now Apple also have that screen recording, screenshot system and everything, and I don't think now those features are just bothering or something. I don't actually feel now that Android is more customizable or something. Okay, so Android is fine, but I'll always say now iOS 11 is much more better as compared to in terms of battery backup, interface, non-laggy interface, and yes, definitely speed of the phone. So I don't know about the future. Maybe I can hop to Android as my priority, but right now I'll just prefer iOS over Android. So thanks a lot for watching. This was my opinion. If you have any problem regarding it, I know you guys will have. So please drop down the comment and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. So signing off. Goodbye everyone. This is Sehaj Gupta. Bye.